Today, I'm super excited to share with you my experience with POPOlive. POPOlive is a platform I've been exploring to make some extra cash for myself. You know, I've heard so many beautiful stories about how people are making money on POPOlive, and I just had to give it a try. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you a screenshot of how I withdrew my $100 so that you will know that this is real. And if you want to make money from POPOlive, it is very easy. It's not hard at all. By the end of this video, I'm going to be including a link with which you can download the app and start making money for yourself. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your word. This is Amugo's Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and also share so other people can get this good news. This is how to withdraw your money from POPOlive. Okay, I waited till I got to over $100 to withdraw, so I'll just enter my app. So this is the my profile here. So I have 55 friends, 60 people that were mutuals, and I have 94 followers, and 22 people have visited my profile. So here that you're seeing coin 41,154, that's the amount of coin I have. Okay, and this point you're seeing, so this coin now is what you need to do exchange. All right, if you want to do exchange on the app, I will talk about that in another video. So the point is what equates to money. So I have 1,262,364 points. And remember that on this app, 10,000 of the coin is equals to $1. Okay, and so 1 million of the coin is equals to $100. So I have 1,260 something. So right now I'm going to click on my points, which equates to money. All right, so it will show you how many dollars I've been able to accumulate since I started. Okay, so this is it. Then I click on withdraw. So this is $126.24. Wow. I'm so excited. Yes, because I put in a lot of work into all these things, into this work. So now I'll click on withdraw. Okay, so here is what I have on my stuff, on my account, and then I will click on confirm. Okay, so it's asking me for my security password. This one, you have to save it yourself. So I will click on it. Right now it's not going to show you the number, it will just show you the dots. Okay, so it said I haven't added a withdrawal method. Okay, you haven't added a withdrawal method, so it said I should bind. So I am binding. So it's asking me for my so there are 4 ways you can withdraw from this app. Can either withdraw through ePay, can withdraw through USDD, TRC wallets, can withdraw through Binance BIP20, and you can withdraw through Nigerian bank transfer. This is your local bank accounts. Okay, so now I am using the fourth option, which is the Nigerian bank transfer. So I click on bind. So it will ask me for that my security number again, and I will enter it here. So it's opening. So it's asking me for my first name, so I will enter my first name. Okay, it's asking me for my last name. Oh, sorry, this is my first name is Grace. My last name on that account is Emmanuel. Emmanuel. Okay, base bank GTB. base account number. So I have to go and get my account number.
So as you can see, this was where I placed my withdrawal. You can see it's $119 was what I requested, and the equivalent in naira after they've removed their charges is about 184,000 naira. That is huge, right? So this is when the money came to my account. This was the alert that I received. So after placing withdrawal, I didn't take up to 10 minutes before I got the alert. So this is to tell you that POPOlive is an active platform where you are able to make some dollars. So if you need something that will help you get some side hustle where you can get some money, so you can try POPOlive out. It works, it really works. Research about them, always do your own research. Okay, so I tried it and it worked for me. I was able to make some dollars, so I hope that you're going to try this out. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you again in my next one.